I am.
I was.
I will be.
I have.
I had.
I will have.
I do.
I did.
I will do.
I go.
I went.
I will go.
I say.
I said.
I will say.
I make.
I made.
I will make.
I know.
I knew.
I will know.
I think.
I thought.
I will think.
I take.
I took.
I will take.
I see.
I saw.
I will see.
I come.
I came.
I will come.
I want.
I wanted.
I will want.
I use.
I used.
I will use.
I find.
I found.
I will find.
I give.
I gave.
I will give.
I tell.
I told.
I will tell.
I work.
I worked.
I will work.
I call.
I called.
I will call.
I try.
I tried.
I will try.
I need.
I needed.
I will need.
I feel.
I felt.
I will feel.
I become.
I became.
I will become.
I leave.
I left.
I will leave.
I put.
I put.
I will put.
I mean.
I meant.
I will mean.
I keep.
I kept.
I will keep.
I let.
I let.
I will let.
I begin.
I began.
I will begin.
I seem.
I seemed.
I will seem.
I help.
I helped.
I will help.
I talk.
I talked.
I will talk.
I turn.
I turned.
I will turn.
I start.
I started.
I will start.
I show.
I showed.
I will show.
I hear.
I heard.
I will hear.
I play.
I played.
I will play.
I run.
I ran.
I will run.
I move.
I moved.
I will move.
I like.
I liked.
I will like.
I live.
I lived.
I will live.
I believe.
I believed.
I will believe.
I bring.
I brought.
I will bring.
I happen.
I happened.
I will happen.
I write.
I wrote.
I will write.
I sit.
I sat.
I will sit.
I stand.
I stood.
I will stand.
I lose.
I lost.
I will lose.
I pay.
I paid.
I will pay.
I meet.
I met.
I will meet.
I learn.
I learned.
I will learn.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time, and happy learning!